He's just waiting to see if you recognize it. And he's scared to death that somebody on Sunday morning at Bethany Church will recognize that God is in the middle of my hard place and he's given me hope, and he might not deliver me out of it, but he will deliver me through it. Listen, who delivered the 3 Hebrew children out of the fire? Not God. Not God.
Not God.
It wasn't God. God was in the fire with them. He's like, oh man, whoa, I like this. Let's go. They were worshiping God. It was not God who delivered them out of the fire. It was King Nebuchadnezzar.